Umbra. Noun. It is defined as a conical shadow excluding all light from a given source, specifically the conical part of the shadow of a celestial body excluding all light from the primary source. It can also mean the central dark part of a sunspot or a shaded area. Now let's use that in a sentence. Our planet's shadow consists of two parts, one of which is a dark inner core called the umbra. Some synonyms for the word umbra include darkness, shade, or shadows. The word is an English derivative of the Latin word umbra and literally translates to shadow. It had its first word usage during the 17th century. The Latin word umbra has given the English language a wide range of words, one of which includes the word umbrella. Once again, I hope my explanation and examples have provided you an opportunity to better understand the word so that you can effectively use it in your personal or professional life. Thank you for watching.